Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to change your Discord server name easily. Sometimes you create a server quickly and later want a better name, or you just want to rebrand your community. The good news is you can change the server name anytime as long as you have permission. First, open Discord and select the server you want to rename. You must be the server owner or have the Manage Server permission. If you don't have that permission, you will not see the settings option. Now, click on the server name at the top left corner. From the menu that appears, click on Server Settings. In the Overview tab, you will see a box called Server Name. Delete the old name, type your new server name, and then click Save Changes at the bottom. On mobile, the steps are almost the same. Tap the server name, tap the three dots, then tap Settings, go to Overview, change the name, and save. Your server name will update instantly, and all members will see the new name in their server list. That's how you change your Discord server name in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.